everyone. Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking, and this is sort of re-cooking. I had a lot of spaghetti left over the other night, and I thought, well, I think I'll give my granddaughter. But then I thought, you know, a big bowl of spaghetti, it's not real appetizing, so I thought I would sort of pretty it up. So the first thing I decided to do was I'm going to make a baked spaghetti out of it. Because this was, I made it the other night, it was so good. And a little bit of spice never hurt nobody, does it? Plus, I know she loves everything like that. Maybe my bowl was a little bit big. You know, you can take baked spaghetti to any function and you never come home with. Everybody does. I'm going to step out here and say everybody does love baked spaghetti. Now, I've got plenty of sauce on this that I made the other day, but I'm going to put a little bit, I opened up a can of a little bit more sauce on it because, you know, it gets dry after it sits there for a while. So, just put a little bit more on it. Okay. Now, let's put some cheese and it's mozzarella. Yeah, I would use a sort of a, not a real strong cheese because this spaghetti's got such a good flavor to it. Anything pasta, I'm for. I'm a good pasta supporter. And why not a few pieces of pepperoni? You got it, fun it. I had hamburger in it the other day with the sauce. So, this is just going to be a good extra spaghetti with pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. Can't be bad. Okay. Let's put some more, the rest of the mozzarella. The rest of the spaghetti. And some more mozzarella, of course. Well, it was a pretty good size bowl, but it didn't take, but not too much room left over. Okay. Let's put some more sauce on it. I love the sliced cheese because you know you've got real cheese there. When I get this, these things like this, I'm not sure if it's real or processed. A lot of times it will say cheese, let's say like cheese or something like that. So that I don't get. Well, you see it's making a beautiful dish. And I have to tell you, even without being in the oven, it's smelling divine. And grandmothers never let anything go to waste. We know that. Okay. Let's finish the cheese off. If you got it, use it. Well, go get baked spaghetti. I got the oven on 375. And I'm going to lay this on top of it for about 20 minutes. And then I'll take it off for the next 20 minutes. So we shall be right back. Well, our baked spaghetti is out of the oven. Until my whole house smells so good. I'm going to take just a little corner of it for myself. My son is on his way to get it. So that's the way I like things to go. No waste at my house. Oh goodness, you can taste that. Sure can taste that pepperoni in there. Well, it was good yesterday and it's better today. Make baked spaghetti tonight. So, enjoy the evening. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And pray for the people that are hurting and our soldiers. And the soldiers everywhere. Take care of yourself. See you soon.